What's up, guys? Alex here again with Select MX. This is the third part to our little mini series on rebuilding the top end of this 250f engine. So basically the parts showed up and we've got everything cleaned up, so we're good to reassemble. So we're going to start by getting these rings on the piston. Make sure you know what direction your piston goes on. On a two-stroke it'll have an arrow, but on this bike it's not really hard to tell because you got 3 intake and 2 exhaust valves. So just make sure that corresponds. And just like that, it's on. Now what we're going to do is just carefully install the circlips into the piston, keeping the wrist pin. We're going to use our circlip pliers. Make sure you stuff a rag or something in around the connecting rod, because you don't want to be trying to find these little washers down in your bottom end, that's for sure. So another important thing to remember is to orientate your circlip in a way that which it won't compress when the engine is cycling. Alright guys, so now that we've got the cylinder jug on and our fresh gasket, we're just going to reinstall the cylinder head. Alright, now that we have the cylinder head all torqued down, we're just going to apply this oil line. So the error I just made was this bolt is actually larger than these two, so you need to make sure you have the corresponding copper washer to go with the correct bolt. So this one is 20 Newton meters and these are 18 Newton meters. Alright, so we're ready to install the camshafts. We're going to start just by applying some oil to the surfaces, and then we'll install the exhaust camshaft first and then the intake camshaft second. So now that we've got the camshafts in and timed according to the correct timing marks on the shafts and to the owner's manual, we're just going to put the caps and the clips on. So now that we've got the camshaft torqued, we're just going to install the cam chain tensioner. And the last step is just to install the valve cover and tighten these bolts. Alright guys, so it's done. We've completed the top end on the YZ250f. Thank you for watching. In the next video we'll be installing this engine back into the frame and getting ready to build the bike back up. Don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on Instagram for updates at SelectMX with 2 T's. Thanks.